Mastering prepositions of time. At, on, in. Hello language enthusiasts! Today we're going to dive into the English language and discover one of the fundamental building blocks of grammar, the prepositions of time. Our main focus for today's session will be the three most common ones: at, on, and in. With the proper understanding of these little words, you'll find your sentences sounding more natural and precise. Before we start dissecting at, on, and in, it's crucial to understand what prepositions of time are. They are tiny words that link parts of a sentence together, specifically dealing with time. These are useful tools in English that allow you to express when something happened. Let's begin with at. We use at when we're referring to a specific time on the clock, times of the day, or various points in the day. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m., we eat lunch at noon, or the stars appear at night. Next up, we have on. On is used when we're referring to specific days, dates, or special occasions. For instance, my birthday is on the 21st of June. The meeting is scheduled on Monday, or I was born on New Year's Eve. Finally, we come to in. This preposition is used when we're talking about longer periods of time, like months, years, centuries, or seasons. For example, I was born in June. She graduated college in 2020, or we go skiing in winter. Now that we've learned about at, on, and in, it's time for some practice. Try to form sentences using these prepositions of time. Remember, practice is key when learning a new language. That's a wrap, folks. We've now learned how to use the prepositions of time, at, on, and in. These are crucial elements in English that help us speak more fluently and precisely. Keep practicing and soon you'll master these prepositions. Stay tuned for more English language lessons. Happy learning, and as always, keep practicing.